This is Logan here with the belly band on and the blue collar, and Coco, who's supposed to be napping in her pink blanket, but Logan woke her up and now they're playing. And that's Grant sniffing Logan, and Mindy checking them out. Oh, little baby Coco. Fearless little thing. Can hold her own. Oh. Hi, Coco.